Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And to call a Siri, firstly we need to locate multifunctional button. Multifunctional button located at the top of the speaker, and at the right side we have play pause button, but actually this is a multifunctional button. And to call a Siri, you need to press and hold at this button. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!